Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do the treble stitch. So to start, I'm going to yarn over my hook and then yarn over again. Then I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and then pull through just the first 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops left on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Have 2 loops left on my hook. Yarn over and then pull through those last 2 loops. And there I've made 1 treble crochet stitch. Going over this again, I'm going to yarn over my hook twice. Insert my hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Have 3 loops left. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Have 2 loops left. Yarn over and then pull through the last 2 loops. And that's how you do a treble stitch. I'm just going to continue working treble stitches until I reach the end of my row, and then I'm going to show you how to turn your work. Finishing up my last stitch, and now I'm at the end of my row and I want to make another one. So I'm going to start by chaining 4. So here's my 4 chains. I'm going to turn my work over so that I can go back in the other direction. Now I'm going to yarn over twice. Then I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch of the row and complete 1 treble stitch. So that's the first stitch of my new row, and now I can just continue working my treble stitches all the way across. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.